All right, today I'm going to show you how to change the screensaver message. Okay, right now, how to get to the screensaver options. I have to get to system preferences. And in order to get there, I'm just going to go through the launchpad, click that, find the system preferences icon, click that. Once I'm in there, I am going to go to desktop and screensaver icon and click on that. Now, once in there, I'm going to go to screensaver options right now. Okay, you see it? This is lit up on message. Okay, I want to have the message. So I am going to go to screensaver options. But first, this is what my screensaver looks like right now. It says RMSA. And so I'm just going to go in here, click on screensaver options, go to this box, put what I need to put in there or I want to put in there. I want it to be ASMR. All right, changed it to ASMR. And it changes it right there. And so let's see what it previews like. ASMR. Okay. And that's how you change your screensaver message. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.